Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Today we're going to be taking a look at, yet again, my top 5 most favourite software to install on Windows. If you haven't tried any of this software yet, I highly recommend you install it now and give them a go. And in 5th place we have Specky, which is a program that gives you in-depth information about the hardware you have on your computer. And straight away on our main screen, as you can see, it tells us our operating system, it tells us what CPU we have, what RAM, what motherboard we're using, it even has what socket our motherboard supports, and it's got our graphics card, our 2 monitors on there as well. It even comes up with what model you're using on your monitor, which is really cool and handy. It's got your 2 hard drives with what hard drive models they are. It would then tell you what CD drives you have and your audio. As you can see here as well, it even gives us the temperatures of our hardware. If I just click on my CPU, it comes up with a lovely looking graph there with a couple of lines telling us what our temperature is doing on our processor right now. If we go down on the left here, we can click on our memory and bring up even more in-depth information about our memory. And if we click on our graphics, we can get even more in-depth information about our graphics card, which makes this program absolutely fantastic. And if you haven't tried it out yet, download it now. The link is in the description below and give it a go. And next up in 4th place, we've got WinRAR. This is a fantastic program that lets you open up specific file extensions such as .rar. It also allows you to open up zip files and lots more. As you can see, this is what the program looks like. It will let you compress files as well. So if you've got really big files, you can put them into WinRAR, and then you can compress it, and it could change it from say 1 gig to 800 meg, which is absolutely fantastic. You can also split up the files. You can do pretty much anything when it comes to folders and files with WinRAR. If you haven't tried it out yet, download it now, give it a go. And in 3rd place, we have Inkscape. This is a fantastic program that lets you create vectors and other graphics on Windows. As you can see on the left hand side here, we have loads of tools that we can create wonderful things with. We've got a few options at the top here, which also make this program absolutely fantastic. If I just click on, for example, text, we can type in some text. And where this program lets you create vectors, no matter how small the graphics is on the screen, you can stretch it. If you were to print it to, I don't know, you could pretty much stretch it as big as you want and it would never lose its quality. That is what a vector is all about. If you don't know much about vectors, definitely have a look on Google. They really are interesting and cool to know about. As you can see, I'm just playing around with a bunch of random items. Let's just see what else we can do. We've got a spray can here. Look at that. That looks cool. And we've got a few other options. I do not know what I've just pressed there, but that actually looks quite cool, I must admit. But like I said, if you haven't tried out Inkscape yet, it definitely is a program to look into. It's free as well. All these programs that I'm showing you right now are free and created by, wow, really clever people to make this program. And in 2nd place, if you have not heard of this program yet, I do not know what you have been doing on Windows. This is Steam. It allows you to download all sorts of games. It's got a massive library of games, as you can see here. It even has software now as well. It's just a fantastic client. You can add friends on it. You can join friends through games and you can chat with your friends. You can also do voice over IP on Steam, which means talking using your microphone. If you click on library, as you can see, here's all your games. All you have to do is install your game, then press play. It's as simple as that. Steam really is cool. If you go onto your profile as well, you can earn achievements, medals. You can unlock cards. There's a trading card system built into Steam as well. It's got a huge community. If you click onto community, as you can see, there is a massive community. In the community, it's got videos that you can share. You can share your screenshots. There's also a workshop where people do mods for games, and you can download these extra mods for free. That is how cool Steam is. It's definitely worth a shot. Download it now and give it a try. And in first place, we have WPS Office. This is absolutely the best free software you can get. It is an alternative to Microsoft Office. It allows you to create spreadsheets, presentations. It even has its own word processor where we can create documents on that as well. If I just click on the top left hand corner here and go new, as you can see, this is what the writer looks like. If we go across to our Excel spreadsheets, we can click on new and there's your spreadsheet there. And the same with presentation. If we just open up presentation and go new presentation, as you can see, it's as simple as Microsoft Office. Just simply pop in the text you want, click on animation, add some animation in. You can even change the design. That is cool. And it's free, which makes this program even better. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button below. And like I said, all the links to these programs are in the description below. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe for more computer sluggish videos.